In this video, we are going to see how you can create an event on Wix website, let's say to sell tickets or for whatever reason you want to create it. It's very simple to create. First of all, you need to choose a website. So I have already chosen mine and I am in the editing mode. So in the editing mode, you need to go to add apps option right at the corner. But before that, you need to specify and decide where you will place that. So as you can see, there is not much space already. So we need to create a new section. So first of all, let's go to the sections and click on the basics and just decide wherever you want to place the event. So for example, I want to place the event right here. Just scroll down and it will give you different options. As you can see here, whenever I scroll it down, it says, do you want to place it here? Whenever I scroll it up, it will ask you whether you want to place it here. So for example, I want to place it right here. So I'll insert the blank one, this one. And as we can see, we are back in the editor. Now we have the extra space. Just expand it a little bit because we will need the space. And after that, you're good to go. Just click on this add apps. And from here, just click on the events. You can search it from here. You can search it from here, whatever you like. And from here, just click on this event. Wix events and tickets. This is the app we want to install, and it will show you something like this: add to site, free to install. Let's click on that and it will take some time. Now I recommend you to create the section and then just move to that particular area so that it adds automatically here and we don't need much adjustments. Let's see how it places it. Now as you can see that it has placed the events, but you will be confused at what happened to your website. Nothing is being shown. Don't worry, on the top corner, you can see that we are on the events page. If we click here and just go to the home page, nothing will be disturbed. It will be in the original order as it is. As you can see here, everything is intact, no problems. Now, as we can see that we have different events here. We have a separate page as well, but this is of school events. This one is the one we created, this one, the upcoming events. So how we can add this on the home page? Because when we move to the home page and scroll down in this special section that we created, we don't find any particular event here. Neither if we scroll down, we find any event. So how we can insert that? It's very simple. After that, just click on the plus because it is all added in the add elements option. From here, just click on the events and here you have different events. So for example, whatever format you like for your website, you can choose that. For example, I like this one. Just click on it to insert. Otherwise, just drag and drop. And there you go. Now, what if you want to customize this events? It's very simple as well. As you can see here, we have successfully inserted Wix events. So once we click on anywhere on this events, we will see this manage event option. Just click on here. Now, for example, if you want to add a new event, you can add it as well. We also have the event. This one, you can either manage it or delete it, whatever you want. So let's say if we have selected multiple events and you want to delete all of them. I just want to keep this one. So after selecting, you can click on this cancel events option and all of the events will be cancelled. And now you can add a new event. So click on add a event. Now it's your choice if you want to create an RSVP event or a ticketed event. If you offer paid or free tickets, set the currency and taxpayer is perfect for classes, workshops. So if you have something like that, let me just zoom it a little bit. So if you have something like this, you can select the ticketed event. So for example, this is a digital marketing workshop. Now just copy and paste this one as well in the short teaser, or you can just take the support of ChatGPT here to write it for you. Details, whatever, I'll just mention it quickly. Now, if you want to select the event category, you can select any one. But if we don't have already, as you can see here, just click on create a category and we can create any category we want. So for example, marketing. This one is related to marketing. Click here and just confirm. Now, for example, this one is a single event which is happening on the March, let's say 25th of March. Start date, end date will be same. The event will be starting on 7 p.m. to till 11 p.m. Let's keep it as it is. You can set it recurring event to be decided, whatever you want. So I have set it to single event. Now, for example, this event is in Dubai. Now it will ask you a couple of questions more. Display show event and date and time. Let's keep it as it is. Show time zone. Okay. I don't want to show the time zone exactly. So physical location, online or to be decided. So this event will be a physical location. Now it will ask you the exact event location as well. So let's just say Expo Center, Dubai. So let's write DWTC. Basically that's Dubai World Trade Center. Now what you can do is you can write more about the event. Obviously it's optional. You can add image, you can add video, whatever you want audience to guide about the ticket. You can write it here, write anything. I'll just write here this one. So basically you can write anything here, you can add the files, and after that on the top you can click on create a draft. Now if we scroll down a little bit, you can see you can create the tickets from here. Now if we click here, it will ask you some further info and it will create a ticket tag just like this. Let me just show you a preview. Okay, we can't see a preview until we set the price. So it will ask you what is the ticket name. Let's say this is digital marketing class, advanced class 05. And if it is a fixed price, you can choose this one. If you offer different prices for different categories, for example, for child, adult, senior, you offer different prices, but we don't have different prices in this situation. Pay what you want. The guest enters the ticket price. Okay. It's the guest's choice to enter the ticket price. Usually this happens whenever there is a charity event or something like that, or an auction, something like that. So free. Now, if you offer the free tickets, you can mention it here, but we will give it a fixed price. And for example, it's off $20 because this is a quick workshop. So let's write here US dollars. Just write USD. You will get the option. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, it will show you that choose who pays the ticket service fees. Pass the ticket service fees on to the buyer, absorb the ticket service fees. Okay, so if we have some additional fees, we will charge something extra, but if we will pay that service fees, whatever it is, we will charge the net amount. So is your choice how you want to keep it. So we will keep it to the basics, pass the ticket service fee onto the buyer. And if you want to create the unlimited tickets, you can generate that. Otherwise, obviously we have a limited capacity. So let's generate it. Let's say 50. Now, after that, you can set the ticket policy as well. Whatever the policy is, you can design your own. You can use the ChatGPT for that one as well. So whatever you like, you can do it as well. Set the ticket sale period. You can set the period here from which date till which date the tickets are available for sale. Let's close this because I don't want to set this at the moment. And after that, you can just create the ticket. You can also preview it before printing it. So click on Save Changes and it will create a ticket like this with the QR code. This is awesome. So click on Save. Now here we have all the other things as well. For example, if you want to go to settings and you want to change something, or you want to customize something, order confirmations, invoices are not being sent, whatever you want to see that, you can just check that. Email you receive, if you want to send or receive the emails about the progress, you can do that as well. But let's just click on the overview. Now after that, you can just add the payment here in the overview section. You can accept the payment, click on add the payment method. Now from here, we can accept different payments. You can accept the credit cards, debit card. Now it depends on your location. So if your business location is somewhere in the country where the payment facilities are not attached to Wix, then it will show you different options. So might be you will see the manual payments option there. So you can connect to PayPal, accept credit card, whatever you want. These are all the services you can connect to. So for example, I want to connect to PayPal. So click on connect. And you can just mention your account information and all the things, and by PayPal or pay later or whatever. So I'm not going to mention this because you can just simply mention your account information here. And after that, you can just find your events in the event section, click on drafts, and here is your event. Now, if you want to publish this, but before that, let's choose an image for that as well. Let's click on edit details. Let's click on image picture, and let's add digital marketing. Let's say this is the one I want. Just add to page, and there we have it. Click on save. Now again, we are here, just click on the drafts, and we have this one in the draft. Let's select this and click on publish. Now there are no drafts. Now if you want to go to our website, just click on the home tab from here and just click on this link. So here is our website, and if we go to the event section, we have this digital marketing workshop right here. If we click on more info, we have this one. This is an RSVP, but when we click on this, this will be a payment. So you can choose this quantity and you can check out. And after that, you can obviously link that, and then it will be available. But this is how you do it. So that's basically how you can create the ticket. Now, whenever you want to delete this, or whenever you want to cancel this, you can click on the left corner and click on published. And from here, you can just click on these 3 dots and cancel event, view orders, view tickets, whatever you want. So this is how you can create the tickets on Wix. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.